For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Want perfect soft serve in just 15 minutes? Here's how I do it. Ever wished you could serve creamy, smooth soft serve without the long wait? I've been there, and this single-flavored countertop soft serve ice cream maker with touchscreen totally changed the game for me. The first time I tried it during a busy weekend, I had fresh soft serve ready in just 15 minutes, and every batch came out perfectly smooth. No lumps, no hassle. With the production capacity of 2.7 gallons per hour, it keeps up even on the busiest days. Whether you're topping waffles, filling desserts, or serving cones, it delivers consistent results every time. The 4.2-quart hopper and quiet compressor under 66 decibels freeze mixtures fast without disturbing your space. Puffing technology adds air for extra creaminess while saving ingredients, something I noticed immediately when testing. It reduced waste without affecting taste. Durable stainless steel construction and a food-grade SUS 304 cylinder make it long-lasting and hygienic. The touchscreen panel is simple to use, with automatic cooling, one-touch cleaning, and adjustable hardness for your perfect texture. I love switching between soft cones and firmer desserts depending on the day. It's that easy. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this machine works for cafes, food trucks, dessert corners, or home kitchens. From my experience, it's the fastest, most consistent way to make soft serve without compromising quality. If you want quick, smooth, and irresistible soft serve, this countertop machine is your new secret weapon.